This is Steve talking, and Leyton and Cade present Nature Reserve. I am totally Steve. Here is Leyton in his natural habitat in the bush, because he is a big bush camper in Fortnite. And let's see what he does. Oh, he jumped. Oh, we see his head. He's jumping again. And you see him. He's jumping again. He's doing some crazy backflips and stuff. He spotted us. He's coming into us. Run! Okay, where is he now? Oh, there he is. He's eating this thing that... What is it called? Again. Oh, he put it in his jacket, and now he's running again. Why is he running anyway? No, back to his bush, that big bush camper. Now he's dabbing, maybe? I don't know. Now he's about to do his mating call of the chicken nuggets llamas. That's what we decide to call it. And he's screaming. For some reason. I don't know why he likes screaming, but he just does. Yeah. And he fainted. And he woke up and then he moved somewhere else and then he fell asleep.
Wait, is that Leyton on my lawn again? Get back here!